Emma, Nidi Kama, for a few days, Naminchia, my godfather, a chairman, Aqua, Sheffield UK, na Masandi in Jackasia, Ama NDC4, especially his successor John Dramani Mahama, a year to our oko, is very positive. So, what I say, na your party in 24 Parliament, especially also NDC, work France, a year in 24% and our kind, free man. You see, Ababio, say, be one conquer NDC France, see why. Yanso ya be gina so a ye kasa bi na e ma hwe topic ne ye good ne say menua no o kan ya na so dwane free petroleum ho why you confused because confused ne free dey be am if you presidency to the last communicator anything na make us vice president be that platform say we the Ghanaians abroad we need Ghana card before we can come to Ghana. Is he not confused? I think Ghanaians can travel with Ghana card to 197 countries. The whole world, we have 195. So this is what we are talking about. Emma, you see, I'm saying we try to be na me the can in send be a boan. Me born it off and sana mako me mediation. Here, Master say, though you have the right, so baby petro. I will feed you so. Na kwanya Ghana for the mine, any friends today Ghana the mine no. Any bia na sene fata se ba betwa tro o ba bobo ho ye menua mese o say Ghana every bailout a big force IMF program so one kinkan ya ana wonima this year Ghana received 1 billion from IMF. So what he's saying is false. It's a big lie. Again, or say economic status NC time it was in tatters, a big lie, a throw a Muslim can. And in America say through Muslim can. Menoka say on go the name Menoka say on go the debt to Ghana ya kayete to your GDP. 83%. On go statista.com. IMF released one report on July 2021. And I want the Ghana debt to GDP at 79%. I remember I said in my program, yes, I said, me make calculation GDP is 83. Someone commented and said, where do I get my figure from? But IMF report, they were emphatic, said, when including COVID expenditure. Why? Because as at that time now, when do a report out, Ghana government any audit on COVID expenditure and other government areas. It means that the latest is 83.5%. It means in the history of Ghana that even my main friend you see, MPP form when you're born, and my main account says so no time for one, or no hoping not they talk. It has one impact in kind, and now when you're born, they have to choose between that. And now they don't follow their leaders. The papers need documents now. By the time I present them, the communicator don't use that. So it doesn't want born, and now I say you don't read. So what I say? It doesn't want born, and say you don't read. Because in the history of Ghana, crown, your debt to GDP and 80% there. 2016 NDC time, it was 55%. MP wanted to fly. And you know, because a Kaidi Ghana anymore to our debt to GDP ratio is 83%. So what is he talking about? Japan exchange rate, Africa exchange rate. NDC time, euro was 4.2, and America is 7.3. Dollar is 6.3. Pounds is 8.4. You see, I'm finding when 3 boyana when you when king canadian. Ubi biara oba same Palawi comparison with economic analysis say and Kufuor handed over 1.11 to $1 to NDC. The person is because why? The economy has expanded. Yeah, economy a busy economy. Why? Because the measurement basket that they measure goods on the market is not the same. So you need knowledge in economics to understand this. 1, 2. Before you can do this analysis, you need to know that even redomination of the currency has effects on the value of the money. of the currency. So you need to understand this. So when you can send 77 now, let's tell them say when you're born. Now back to the main issue. Meaning we say friends saying Anna crude oil in affected prices. You see, I telling my brother say yes, it's about Ghana, but you need to prepare before you come. November 2020, crude oil price on the global market fell. It was 59 per barrel. We say yet fuel so oh Ghana. People are suffering. Minoka say it's $60 per barrel. 2016, when DC was leaving power, it was 3.6 fuel price. In less than 60 days, what to fuel also 2 times. In the history of Ghana, this is the government that what to fuel also 17 times. And you have the guts to come and sit here and talk about this? You see, COPEC, so I know where you should read. COPEC just came out, Chamber of Petroleum. They say Ministry of Finance, no, any energy sector, no, when you put any measures in place, when the prices of goods of crude oil was falling on the global market. Now, I mean, 6.9. So the point is that argument I'm also making say Ghanaians handed power to this government to take them back and forward. So once again, it is a big lie. It's a big force. So Onima, he should go and find out. We received 1 billion. He should find out that the finance minister was trying to even raise another 2.2 billion from the global market, Eurobond. It has flopped. Only how many roles have this government been able to, undertaken in the last 5 years? So, Emma, to your question, the last 5 years has been abysmal, has been hyper failure, and I call it 3Ds, 1F. And it's a disgrace. The first D is destroying. Why the government is destroying the future and the hope of the ordinary Ghanaians is that Emma Menoka said, get fund. Get fund. Get fund and when I can say be 1 year support to school for ni undertaking infrastructure project to be say school than the other. This government have molded get fund for the next 15 years. 15 good years. ESLA, let's come back to ESLA. You see, for the proper management of the economy NDC time, I remember say 2015 when finance minister presented budget to the parliament, because you know crude oil is one of our avenue to get revenue. He prepared a budget based on 99 per barrel. In the next few days, global prices fell. It came to less than $40. You have to run back to parliament. So the measures we put in place was to establish something called ESLA, energy levy. This levy was established so that we can get some sort of sika to help to help the prices of fuel, whether it moved up or down in the global market. The program was just homegrown policy for just 5 years. Abaying by example, 2021. He cannot cancel it because one more taking ESLA for the next 15 years. 2035 Anna ESLA. That is the main reason why people are suffering. He cannot reduce the prices of fuel. Some of the measures we put in place in the economy was stabilization fund. It was also part of this thing that came to help the Jumison among the Atuabu gas plant and the Park Power plant we brought on board. We established stabilization fund annually. We are getting $500 million. Sinking fund, we left $400 million to settle Kufuor Eurobond. So they should come up to tell us what they have been able to use all this money they have received. Minauka said just 2021 and finance ministry I bought 5 billion. They received 1 billion from IMF. They received $400 million from World Bank. They received $250 million from African Development Bank. Where's this money going to? We have a government that has declared a whole year of rose. Emma Bisano said,